During a recent congressional hearing held in Mexico City, a remarkable discovery took place when two alleged extraterrestrials were presented. These unusual remains, reportedly found in Cusco, appeared humanoid in appearance and matched descriptions given by former intelligence officers. The unprecedented event, which occurred in the Mexican Congress on Tuesday, sparked a comprehensive discussion in the capital, leading to extensive debates centered around the existence of extraterrestrial life forms. This event consisted of congressional hearings specifically dedicated to the study of unidentified anomalous phenomena, broadcasted live online for public scrutiny. As part of this in-depth investigation in Mexico, two alleged extraterrestrials were introduced and displayed, said to have been found in Cusco, Peru. Since the revelation of these intriguing artifacts, it has gone viral, prompting many to ponder what is happening. During this event, journalist James Mawson showcased a collection of extraterrestrials described as fossilized remains of extraterrestrial beings. These non-human creatures, believed to be approximately 1,000 years old, were carefully presented in glass cases for observation. Ryan Graves, a former United States Navy pilot and current executive director of the Americans for Safe Space Activities organization, was also present at this intriguing presentation. During his testimony at the San Lazaro Legislative Palace, James Mawson made a significant statement under oath, asserting that the examined specimens do not belong to our earthly evolutionary process. He emphasized that these beings were not discovered following a catastrophe, but were rather found in diatomaceous earth mines and subsequently underwent fossilization. Throughout the entire event, numerous videos were also broadcasted, showcasing unidentified flying objects and anomalous phenomena, encouraging a comprehensive study of these intriguing occurrences. During his testimony before Congress, Mr. Mawson presented intriguing results from DNA analysis conducted on the two bodies. These DNA samples were meticulously tested and compared against an extensive database of other genetic samples. Astonishingly, the results showed that over 30% of the DNA sequences present in the samples could not be identified and were classified as unknown. This discovery raises complex questions and prompts further exploration into the nature and origin of this unidentified genetic material. Additionally, Mr. Mawson displayed X-ray images depicting the internal structure of the bodies. These X-ray images revealed the presence of unusual anomalies, including the presence of eggs. The analysis indicated that these beings are not human. Fortunately, they are open to other researchers who can conduct their own assessments to confirm or refute this information. As mentioned during this presentation conducted by the renowned journalist and ufologist James Mawson, the examined objects were presumed to be ancient fossilized remains with an estimated age of around 1,000 years. While giving sworn testimony at the San Lazaro Legislative Palace, Mr. Mawson made a significant statement regarding the unusual specimens in question. According to him, these specimens do not align with typical life development on Earth. In other words, they are not the result of any evolutionary process that occurred on our planet. These two specimens exhibit a physical structure that bears some resemblance to humans, characterized by having 2 arms, 2 legs, a torso of moderate length, and a head. However, they differ in size from each other and possess relatively compact bodies, reaching about 2 feet in length. Interestingly, these unusual beings have only 3 fingers on their hands and feet. On the other hand, their heads appear short when measured from top to bottom, but they are elongated from front to back, adding uniqueness to their overall appearance. During the congressional hearings on unidentified anomalous phenomena, which took place shortly after the United States conducted its own hearings, several extraordinary statements were put forward. However, the events unfolding in the Mexican capital proved to be much more explosive in nature and garnered significant attention and interest. The hearings conducted a comprehensive examination of these claims, delving deep into the details and implications. During this extensive scientific analysis conducted by experts from the Autonomous National University of Mexico, Mr. Herson determined that the samples underwent rigorous examination. This process involved DNA extraction and the use of radiocarbon dating methods to determine the age of the samples. A notable aspect of these fossils, which were thoroughly investigated, is that they were found surrounded by a layer of what appeared to be fine grains of sand. During a recent presentation, the professor shared the results of his extensive research on spheres extracted from a meteorite believed to originate beyond our solar system. Through meticulous analysis, he put forward a compelling idea that these unique spheres could potentially serve as indicators of extraterrestrial technology. During his address to the Mexican Congress, this individual expressed the belief that it would be presumptuous to assume that humans are the only intelligent beings in the universe. He further suggested that other forms of life may have existed on Earth before the emergence of humanity. Previous hearings featured compelling military footage capturing numerous unidentified aerial phenomena. One particularly notable segment showcased footage from a jet fighter capturing the mesmerizing sight of 11 clearly luminous objects gracefully hovering above a cloud cover. The existence of unidentified aerial phenomena is widely acknowledged and supported within both scientific and political circles. Amid ongoing debates surrounding unidentified objects, various individuals hold different opinions. U.S. Congressman Tim Burton, for example, firmly believes that these objects originate from extraterrestrial sources. During his testimony at congressional hearings held in July, David Charles Grush, an expert in unidentified flying objects, made a staggering claim that the government has been actively concealing compelling evidence related to fully intact extraterrestrial life. According to Gibbs, who is the executive director of the Americans for Safe Space Activities organization, the existence of unidentified flying objects is not a hidden fact within the fighter pilot community. In fact, he describes it as an open secret widely known among them. In one remarkable incident, 2 fighter jets were forced to perform evasive maneuvers to avoid colliding with a strange object, which can only be described as a dark gray cube encased in a transparent sphere. The prospect of uncovering extraterrestrial life has captivated the human imagination for centuries, from ancient myths and legends to modern science fiction. The idea that beings from other worlds visit Earth has always been present in human culture. While the existence of extraterrestrial life remains a subject of speculation, the question of how humans will react to the disclosure of extraterrestrial beings is a fascinating topic to explore. When news of extraterrestrial existence first emerges, it is reasonable to expect that many people's immediate reaction will be shock and skepticism. The notion that we are not alone in the universe challenges deeply ingrained beliefs about our uniqueness as a biological species. This will have a profound impact on religion and philosophy. In many religious traditions, humanity is regarded as the pinnacle of divine creation. The existence of extraterrestrial life would challenge these beliefs and compel religious institutions and thinkers to reevaluate their teachings. Some may see it as an opportunity to expand their understanding of the divine, while others may reject it as heretical. From a philosophical perspective, the discovery of extraterrestrial life will raise questions about the nature of consciousness, intelligence, and the meaning of life. It could lead to a reevaluation of our place in the cosmos and our responsibilities as rational beings. The disclosure of extraterrestrial information will undoubtedly stimulate scientific progress. The prospect of studying extraterrestrial life forms, their technologies, and civilizations will be a dream come true for scientists and researchers. Governments and private organizations will invest significant resources in space exploration, astrobiology, and the development of new technologies for communication with potential extraterrestrial civilizations or contact with them. Apart from the initial shock and reaction, the disclosure of extraterrestrial information will have profound long-term consequences for humanity. It could fundamentally alter our worldview, prompting us to reconsider our place in the universe and the future of our species. Knowledge of extraterrestrial life will open up a broader cosmic perspective for humanity. We will no longer perceive ourselves solely as inhabitants of Earth, but as participants in a vast stellar community. This shift in perspective may lead to a deeper sense of unity among people, a desire for knowledge about extraterrestrial life that will drive significant technological progress. Breakthroughs in space exploration, communication, and propulsion will revolutionize our capabilities for exploring and colonizing other celestial bodies. Our culture and social norms will evolve to incorporate the idea of extraterrestrial life. New belief systems, rituals, and traditions may emerge to reflect our changing understanding of our place in the cosmos. The disclosure of extraterrestrial information, though speculative, presents a rich opportunity to explore the depths of human psychology, society, and culture. The initial shock, skepticism, and curiosity are likely to give way to a new era of global cooperation, scientific inquiry, and philosophical reflection. As we confront the profound consequences of our place in the vast interconnected universe, humanity's reaction to such a revelation would serve as evidence of our ability to adapt and grow as we encounter the profound implications of our place in the immense cosmic tapestry. What are your thoughts on these recent discoveries? Please feel free to leave your questions and responses in the comments section below and help us develop this community as we work on unraveling these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our new videos.